Today, a cheerful explorer learns how to make a sunny sound shaker from 2 plastic cups and a handful of beans. Fill 1 cup with beans, place the other cup on top, seal with tape, and shake to hear music. Decorate the outside with markers and stickers to show your own musical style while you practice rhythm. Tip gently for a steady beat and experiment with different bean amounts for softer or louder sounds. This playful project shows how everyday objects can turn into art and science through creativity and teamwork.